What's up, fellas? It's your boy, the pickup master here, to teach all you ignorant fools out there a little something about the art of seduction. In today's episode, I'll be dropping some serious knowledge on your damn heads, giving you the tools, tricks, and techniques you need in order to bed bang and beyond the woman of your dreams. Look, guys, I ain't messing around here, alright? The art of seduction is all about three simple things: power, desire, charm, and value. Are you a powerful personality? Do you inspire desire? Are you as charming and lucky as a leprechaun? Are you valuable and in demand with every woman you see? But hey, enough of the technical mumbo-jumbo. This is just episode 1, and you fools have only just arrived at school, so hey, let's start off nice and slow and set you up with some guaranteed icebreakers. A warning. The 13 simple pickup lines I'm about to show you are considered by many to be dangerously and eerily powerful. In the wrong hands, these highly erotically charged pickup lines could be used for evil or even nefarious purposes. I must beg of you, please, if your intentions are less than honorable, or if you do not feel you can handle the responsibility of having beautiful, even gorgeous women constantly throwing themselves at you, then please, do not dare to use the powerfully spooky pickup lines I'm about to show you. You still there? Good. I knew you had it in you. Alright then, fellas. We're only 7.5 months away from that most haunted of holidays, Halloween, and I want my fools to be ready for the big night, the sexy costumes, and the beautiful, candy-craving maidens. So gentlemen, here are my top 13 spooky pickup lines. Please, I beg of you, use them responsibly. I'll be watching. Let's do this. Are you a ghost? Because you have been haunting my dreams. Is there a ghost of a chance you and I could get together? I bet you're a lady in the streets and a ghost in the sheets. That's no ghost. My pants are just cum stained. I would never ghost you on social media under any circumstances. My intentions are as true as they are spooky. Baby girl, you are one cool ghoul. I may be dressed as a spooky ghost, but that is not the only thing I enjoy doing between the sheets. Are you Migos? Because girl, you bad and bougie. Remember, fools, these lines are so powerful, they will cause women to become addicted to you. So, yeah, don't say I didn't warn you. Are you Bill Cosby? Because I want to be your ghost dad. Baby, I would love nothing more than to haunt you all night long. A ghost walks into a bar. The bartender says, "We don't serve spirits." The ghost says, "That's insane. Isn't this a bar?" The bartender says, No, you don't understand. I'm not saying we don't serve alcohol at this establishment. I'm saying that we don't serve said alcohol to ghosts. The ghost says, "Well, please excuse my language, but why the heck not? That's actually incredibly racist of you and bad for boozeness. Sorry, business." The bartender says, "Due to my sincere and strongly held religious beliefs, I refuse to engage with the undead and other spirits from beyond. And now, my good chum, would you kindly get the fuck out?" And the ghost just starts sobbing because the world is a horrible place, and he can't even get a drink at the stupid shitty bar that he didn't even really want to drink at anyways, but it was the only one in the area, and he was feeling really lonely and wanted to find somebody to talk to. But it's fine, okay? It's fine. They killed himself, and he was already a ghost, so nothing happened. Nice boobs. Darling, you look spooktacular. If I was a pumpkin, I would surely jack-o'-lantern off to you. Call me shallow Halloween, but despite your hefty weight, I still find you to be the most sensual and erotic lover in this entire establishment. Believe me, with lines like this, you'll be picking up so much tail, it'll be scary. I ain't no Count Cuckula or Fagonberry, but if you don't jump in this giant bowl of cereal with me right the fuck now, I'll have booberry balls so damn swollen with little baby ghost jizz, I won't know what to do. I know my appearance is but a frightening one, but I pray it won't scare the pants off of you. Wink. Hello, ma'am. I have 2 extra tickets for the Spook Dog concert. Madam, might I interest you in a ghoulish gangbang, or spook hockey, or perhaps even some sort of frightening fuckfest? Hey, pretty lady, How's about I put a tiny white ghost bun in your ghost oven, and then after you've given ghost birth and our little guy is about 2 ghost years old, drop him off at Day Scare? How would you feel about me looking you up on Facebook, Insta Ghost, or Spook Chat? In addition, I would be more than happy to post a short video to BooTube proclaiming my feelings for you, and then get a new job as your full-time live-in boo friend on Spooked In. Much like America's financial institutions, these lines are too spooky to fail. Knock knock. Who is there? Boo. Boo-hoo. Please do not cry. I am only a sexy ghost. How's about giving your boy a sloppy boo job? Boy, I love the Oscars. Meryl Streep is my favorite spooky actress, and I sure do wish she'd make a movie with Steven Spielberg. Girl, I'm gonna teach you things you ain't never learned before. Indeed, you are going to school. Ghoul school, that is. Wow, after a witty one-liner like that, girls will be throwing themselves at your feet, begging you for more. It is a well-established fact that Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Incorporated gang battled more than their fair share of ghosts, goblins, and spooks in the night. But darling, I've got a sandwich so big and so long, even Shaggy would not dare to devour it. Well, my fools, I don't want to frighten you, but that's all the time we have for today. So go out there, use those spooky pickup lines, and scare up a terrifying amount of tail for your boy. And of course, family, as if it needed to be said, please, I beg of you, click that like button, subscribe, and write in the comments section below what you'd like the theme of my next Pickup Lines video to be. And remember, fools, I'll be watching. Scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of picking up chicks long ago.